even though we caught the shark, they still don't want us to reopen the beach because there's another shark. There's a bigger shark out there. We didn't catch that one. That one's coming towards us. Uh-oh, it's going underwater. I lost it. Okay, this dock is very slippery. As we drive across, everybody please remember to remain seated. We're going to pull up and we're going to stop behind the barrels filled with gasoline. The shark just took a big chunk of the dock. It's near the dock. I don't see it. I see it.
Oh my God.
My seat has a window. We got attacked by Jaws. The mechanical shark that just jumped up next to us, that's not the shark that Steven Spielberg used when he was directing the movie. Our shark works better than his. When they were filming the movie, they built several mechanical sharks. None of them worked very well. The one that they ended up using most often was just the back of the shark.